Welcome back everyone to a new Alexis Hidalgo Tech video. Today I'm showing you a product I found on Amazon. Out of all the options I saw, this is the one I like the most. A magnetic LED light for the Dji Osmo Action 5 Pro from the brand Aoosu. It only cost me about 16 euros. The packaging is pretty basic, just a generic small box with a label. The front light panel features a diffuser, which means it provides soft lighting. The manual comes in several languages, but it's very easy to understand since the operation is completely intuitive. The light includes a USB-C cable to charge its 600 rechargeable battery, which is claimed to last up to 24 hours of continuous use. Also, the charging port has a small protective cover for liquids, as this light has an IPX4 rating, making it resistant to dust and water splashes. The light features two buttons. Left button used to power it on and switch between cold and warm light modes. Right button is used to adjust the brightness across 4 different intensity levels. As I mentioned, this light is compatible with the standard DJI magnetic mount, fitting at least 4 generations of DJI Osmo action cameras. It also features a cold shoe mount for standard camera accessories and a 3/8-inch tripod mount. Total weight is only 38 grams. It's very lightweight, which does make it feel a bit less premium. I'm going to test it with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro using the stock case that comes with the camera. We have enough space for 2 accessories, a tripod and our light on the side. This is what the setup looks like visually. When I turn it on, it might be hard to see on camera, but I have the warm light on now, and you can slightly notice the shift when I switch to white light. The range goes from 30,000 Kelvin to 8,700 Kelvin.
Currently I'm documenting with just the ceiling light illuminated, preparing to activate the front light as well. I won't be showcasing everything here. There's a visible warm glow transitioning as the light dims out from its initial intensity. This approach yields an exceedingly bright appearance. Adjusting the settings allows the vibe to shift to a warm sensation. Coldness overtaking as options toggle. With reduced brightness, visibility almost disappears, but increasing intensity brings clarity. With 3 adjustments of light intensity available, I progress to level 4 that enhances illumination significantly. Deactivating the light here cools the atmosphere, and upon the second switch off, the scene reflects a different look altogether.
If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it if you think it could be help someone else. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and for more content like this. See you next time.